Samsung Galaxy Buds Bean earbuds rumored, said to feature active noise cancellation. Samsung Galaxy Buds Bean have a bean-shaped design, as per a recent report. Samsung recently launched the Galaxy Buds Plus alongside the new Galaxy S20 series, but it looks the South Korean giant has a few more earbuds in the works. A fresh report now surfaced shedding some light on a new type of wearable from Samsung. This report hints that this product could be called the Galaxy Buds Bean or the Galaxy Bean based on the shape of the product. It also tips that this alleged Galaxy Buds Bean will sport active noise cancellation, a feature we were expecting the Galaxy Buds Plus to launch with. This new report was published by Mail, which gives us a glimpse of the alleged Galaxy Buds Bean. The report also mentions that each earbud is allegedly 28mm long and 13mm wide. These earbuds are reported to have 3 microphones and 2 speakers each. The design of these alleged Galaxy Buds Bean is completely different compared to the Galaxy Buds and the Galaxy Buds Plus. These earbuds sit inside the ear canal and don't have silicone tips at the end. The upper part of the earbuds fills the upper part of the ear. The charging cradle for these earbuds is reported to have a thickness of 26mm. The report also mentions that Samsung is in the process of trimming the dimensions of the product for a better fit. What is interesting is that these earbuds are reported to sport active noise cancelling, a feature present on the Apple AirPods Pro. If Samsung sticks to its trend of launching new earbuds with a new smartphone series, we can expect these to launch alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series. This report also hints that these alleged Galaxy Buds Bean will cost 170,000 Korean won, which is about Rs. 8,800. The battery capacity of these earbuds are unknown at the moment, but the report does mention that these are capable of delivering 11 hours of usage on a single charge. With the ongoing global pandemic, it is hard to say when the product will actually launch. Samsung could have an online launch for its new products as well. For the latest tech news and reviews, subscribe to our Techdustry YouTube channel.